Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add your presentation from Canva into Google Classroom. First step is to open your browser and here on the search bar type in www.canva.com. This is the homepage of the Canva website and here you can see different template. Now first create a presentation. Create a presentation as you are required, and after you are done, click on share and here you can see copy link option. Click on copy link. After that, open your Google Classroom and on your assignment click on add or create for assignment. Here you can see the link option. Click on it. Now paste the link that you have just copied from Canva and here click on add link. These are the simple steps that you can follow to add your presentation into a Google Classroom. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.